One nation, one flag, one unstoppable force. But how did America rise to rule the entire world? It started with nothing. No empire, no army, no king. Just 13 small colonies on a foreign land. In 1776, they declared independence. And from that moment, the world would never be the same. America was hungry for land. They pushed west, thousands of miles, claiming everything in sight. In 1803, America bought 828,000 square miles from France for just $15 million, the biggest land deal in history. Then gold was discovered in California. Hundreds of thousands flooded in. America's economy exploded overnight. The railroad connected the entire nation. Goods, people, and power, moving faster than ever before. Steel, oil, electricity. America's Industrial Revolution made it the manufacturing capital of the entire world. Rockefeller built the world's first oil empire. America didn't just find energy, it controlled it. Edison lit up the world. America became the birthplace of electricity, the phone, and the future itself. Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing. America could now produce anything, faster, smarter, and better than the rest of the world. While Europe tore itself apart in World War I, America waited, then entered at the perfect moment. A surprise attack changed everything. America entered World War II and unleashed the greatest production machine in history. American soldiers fought across 2 oceans. They liberated nations. They changed the course of human history. In 1945, America dropped the atomic bomb.
The war ended.
And the world understood America was now unstoppable. After the war, America was the only superpower standing. The economy boomed like never before in history. The Cold War began. 2 superpowers faced each other across the world. It was the most tense standoff in human history. When Russia launched Sputnik, America launched the space race. And in 1969, America won. Humans walked on the moon. By 1991, the long rivalry was finally over. Peace had arrived. And America emerged as the undisputed leader of the free world. With 800 military bases, 70 countries, America didn't just influence the world, it patrolled it. The US dollar became the world's reserve currency. Every country on Earth needed dollars to survive. Then came Silicon Valley. Apple, Google, Amazon. American companies conquered every screen on the planet. American innovators didn't stop at Earth. They started building rockets to reach beyond our world entirely. Hollywood, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. America didn't just sell products, it sold a lifestyle the whole world wanted. America spends more on its military than the next 10 countries combined. No force on Earth can match it. America can strike any target on Earth within minutes, from land, sea, air, or space. No one is beyond reach. America built NATO, the UN, the World Bank. It didn't just win wars, it wrote the rules of the world. It wasn't luck, it was land, war, technology, ambition, and a system that rewarded those who dared to dream. America became powerful because it never stopped believing it could be. The question now is, who comes next?